The all-new Crystal Art Buddy Series 2 collection has landed, the latest collectible diamond painting kits from Craft Buddy. These kits allow you to customize your very own buddy and comes with everything you need to bring your buddy to life. Experience the magic of Crystal Art Buddy Series 2 as you pour the sparkling crystals into the tray, giving it a gentle shake to ensure they're facing the right way up. Insert the pickup pen into the orange gel, giving it a wiggle to cut out a small piece to effortlessly pick up the crystals. Peel the protective layer back slightly and using the pickup pen, place the crystals on the adhesive surface, guided by the letter and colour coding. It's so fun, quick and easy! Once the crystals are in place, gently push your Series 2 buddy into the stand and witness the enchanting sparkle. With over 30 Crystal Art Buddies to collect in Series 2, you can collect them all and transform your room into a dazzling crystal art gallery. Crystal Art Buddies Series 2 make fantastic gifts for birthdays and special occasions. So get crafting and embrace the sparkle with Crystal Art Buddies Series 2, available in stores and online now.